Solar sailing is one of the most elegant and fascinating concepts in space exploration, relying not on fire and fuel, but on the silent power of light itself. At its core, the idea is simple yet revolutionary. Photons, the tiny packets of light that stream endlessly from the sun, carry momentum. When these photons strike a reflective surface, a vast, ultra-thin sail stretched out in space, they transfer a tiny push. On Earth, that push would be imperceptible, drowned out by gravity and air resistance. But in the vacuum of space, where there is no friction and no atmosphere, even this delicate pressure can build into significant propulsion. Unlike rockets that consume fuel in violent bursts, solar sails glide with grace and persistence. Their acceleration is gradual, almost unnoticeable at first. But over days, weeks, and months, the steady push of sunlight can carry a spacecraft to incredible speeds. The longer the sail catches the solar wind, the faster it goes, in theory allowing such a craft to eventually surpass the speeds achievable by conventional chemical rockets. The absence of fuel requirements makes solar sailing particularly attractive for long-term missions, since one of the biggest challenges in space exploration has always been the sheer weight and cost of carrying propellant. The concept was once the stuff of science fiction, dreamt up in novels and speculative theories, but it has since taken shape in real missions. One of the first successful demonstrations came in 2010 with Japan's IKAROS spacecraft. This pioneering probe unfurled a sail more than 20 meters across and used it to navigate through space, proving that solar sailing could be more than an idea. Later, projects like the Planetary Society's LightSail missions further validated the technology, showing that even a relatively small sail, deployed from a CubeSat, could ride the pressure of sunlight to alter its orbit. Solar sailing also holds a tantalizing promise: the possibility of interstellar travel. While the sun's light provides the initial propulsion, some proposals envision powerful Earth-based lasers beaming concentrated light onto sails to drive them at tremendous speeds, perhaps even a fraction of the speed of light. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot imagine sending fleets of tiny, sail-driven probes to nearby stars, such as Proxima Centauri, within a human lifetime. If achieved, this would mark humanity's first step beyond our solar system. Still, challenges remain. Solar sails must be incredibly light yet durable enough to withstand micrometeoroids and radiation. They must deploy flawlessly in the weightless environment of space, spreading out over tens or even hundreds of meters without tearing. And navigation requires precision, as sails must be angled carefully to steer through the vastness of space. Yet despite these challenges, solar sailing captures the imagination because of its purity. It transforms the ceaseless light of the sun into a means of exploration, offering us a way to journey further than ever before without exhausting resources. It is, in many ways, humanity learning to harness the ancient winds of the cosmos, the same way our ancestors once raised sails on the seas to discover new worlds.